Do you spend your time doing this every morning when you get up? Or do you do this every night? Are you obsessed with short 60-second videos? Then there is a slight chance that you have encountered the best reel maker in all of India. Not him. No, not her either. Yeah, she's my best friend now, but no, not her. That's him. Yes, that is our best reel maker in India. Better believe it. Wait, what is happening here? What is this music? Why are you using music like that when you're having coffee? So Ashwini Vaishnav is our current Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Electronics and Information Technology and Railways. I know he is handling three ministries. Yes, three ministries. Clearly a very capable guy, according to Shri Sir Adarniya Supreme Leader Shri Sir Narendra Ji Modi Ji, His Holiness. Clearly. He has also been a Rajya Sabha member since 2019. So on 28th September, Ashwini Vaishnav put out a video about Vande Bharat, and that video showed a Peru rail. An ever vigilant nerd on Twitter pointed this out, and poof, the video gets deleted. It happens a lot of times these days. The social media teams of these politicians cobble up some fancy looking reel, and they want visuals for it because engagement kaise aayega. So then they get visuals, but the nice visuals are only in foreign countries. So they get that, and then they put it out, and they get called out in 2 flat minutes and deleted. And what's worse is that these people who are making videos, the social media companies, have been hired by some ministry or the other. In Ashwini Vaishnav's case, he has 3. Taxpayer money being spent to make reels. Here's the thing, friendos. Our super minister Ashwini Vaishnav is weirdly obsessed with short form videos. And he puts out a lot of them. Trust me, there are a lot of them. He's basically a content creator who is moonlighting as the minister of 3 ministries. And all of that is possible because you and I pay for it. All of us do it. Don't feel bad, all of us do it. But then we also get a right to judge him on his real work. Get it? Real work? Okay, let's look at his Instagram profile. Say hello to our real minister. It is time for Reel Review. This is a Reel Review. This is a Reel Review. Reel Review. Here he is with Bill Gates. Vaishnav is showing him the Chenab Bridge.
And he just mentioned very soon that we'll see a next picture will be a Vande Bharat again fully designed by engineers.
Wait, next picture will be what? So even while he's showcasing a bridge to freaking Bill Gates, he's thinking about content.
यार मुकेश सुन ना, ये ना ब्रिज पे ना एक ट्रेन होता ना तो एकदम मजा आ जाता, क्या मस्त लगता ना. So wait, just a second. हाँ सुनो, हाँ release a train on that bridge. Yeah, I'll send my drone footage guy. थोड़ा slow चलाना. मस्त फुटेज मिलेगा है। हाँ, पूरा उसको घूमना पड़ेगा ड्रोन को है। नोट कर रहे हैं? मस्त रील पर। हाँ हाँ, कौन सा म्यूजिक डालने का है? कौन सा? अच्छा, वो वाला ट्रेंडिंग है क्या? ट्रेंडिंग है रे, ट्रेंडिंग है।
Real review.
Do ba 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 do do ba do do.
I'm so confused. Wait, I need to watch that again.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, let us analyze this piece of art. So, we start the chat with a group being created called The Journey. Then, India adds economic crisis to the group. Because why not, I guess. Then, it starts talking to economic crisis and tells them, tough spot, reforms falling short, but we are not backing down. Sorry, what? Why is the why is this economic crisis? Okay, never mind. Never mind. Now India seems to have shared the group link, and poverty, sluggish growth, foreign dependence, corruption, and double-digit inflation have joined the chat. Sorry, what? Okay, so suddenly out of nowhere, world appears and says, India is too fragile, not looking good. Are we really doing this? I mean, seriously? Okay, so now more members have joined and India is crying with emojis. Sorry, but whoever made this is clearly some uncle who thinks young people talk like this. Oh no, our market crashed. Forex reserves have shrunk. Joblessness is soaring. Exclamation point. Sad face emoji, briefcase emoji, snowflake emoji. Okay, now after all this drama, Modi has joined in 2014 and schemes have started joining the group called The Journey. Sorry. We are clearly on a journey, my dear friends. This is a journey. It's a journey. Real review. Also, just realized Make in India doesn't join this journey. Weird. Chala nahi kya? Maybe it didn't work. But don't you worry. We have Jam Trinity, which will change the way India transacts. Then UPI is like, I am God. And then after that, India asks, why? I mean, naturally. Okay, wait. What the actual F is happening here? Seriously, what is happening? This is a reel that has been put out by a minister who handles not one, not two, but three ministries. Three! And someone decided that it was worth their time to make this garbage. I can't. Okay, no more. I'm moving on, guys. I just can't do this, and it is too much for my brain to process and analyze. Best of luck. You can see it on his profile. Oh, and by the way, just a gentle reminder that this particular reel is definitely made using taxpayer money because in the end, we see mygov.in. Congratulations, our money is being put to good use. And then in the comment, Indrajit Singh is throwing some hard facts. Railway not good, not available ticket. Indrajit sir, keeping it classy as always. Thank you for your service.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna bole saason ki mala.
Wait, that's it? That was super low effort. Please talk to your social media team, Ashwini Vaishnav. Tell them to put in more effort. It is public money, sir. Please at least use it better. Put it to good use. Oh, and also Kumar in the comments wants to jab you, sir. Real review. So here is an attempt at a relatable meme clearly. Okay, let's see if the goalkeeper can stop this super amazing kick. Wait a minute. Okay, so there is no goalkeeper. Then why the hell is everybody cheering? What is wrong with people? There is no goalkeeper. That was the easiest shit that anybody could have ever done. A child can do this. The caption reads, "Goal for Viksit Bharat." Do you even know how football works, Ashwini sir? That was not a goal. That's just you taking a football and kicking it into a net. And people around him are cheering like, "Yeah." Okay, wait. Now that I think of it, this is a great metaphor for the Modi government, isn't it? Alright, let's talk about this phenomenon a little bit, shall we? We have Ashwini Vaishnav here who is clearly good at staying in cabinet and getting more responsibilities. 3 ministries is no joke, friendos. No joke. There is something he's doing right to be in that position for so long. But it doesn't mean he's doing a great job as a minister, by the way. Train accidents abound. Kavach system, which is supposed to prevent those, didn't work. Broadcasting bill vanished into nothingness. And Vaishnav is constantly getting hammered in public. So, it's worth asking, why is he still around? The answer is, I think he understands what Supreme Leader likes. Our prime influencer really likes to make content, if you didn't notice. For instance, right before the elections, Modi went to Kanyakumari to shoot this 2-minute video. He spent an entire day with multiple cameras on that island and shot a video and edited it and put it out. Just look at the effort and care being put into image building here. Ashwini Vaishnav's football clip, chai drinking, all those things, it's the same. Relatable content. Influencer material. So Ashwini Vaishnav is following the footsteps of our Prime Minister. He's making content, making sure it gets great engagement so that he can show it to his boss and show how popular he is. Or maybe his boss has already assigned a team himself to figure out which are the ministers and MPs and MLAs which are getting great engagement on social media. So unko hi responsibilities de dete hain na. 3 ministries de dete hain. Why not? So he's doing his job of being a great influencer, but he's not doing his job for you and I. I don't think we should expect that either because there seem to be no consequences for that. Honestly, I think he got his seat precisely for this reason. He is an Andhbhakt who doesn't question the authority, in this case Supreme Leader Shri Sir Adarniya, Supreme Leader Holiness Narendra Ji Modi Ji. And he puts in a lot of effort into influencing people through social media. Or at least he pretends that he does. And he's rising in the ranks because of it. The social media companies that have been hired to do this probably put the numbers up on a presentation and they're like, dekho, numbers. Remember that Krishna reel that I showed you? Look at the number of likes and views. Yeah, that seems like a cheat code there. That just does. You don't have to show the reel. You just take the numbers, put it on a presentation, show it to the client, and then just like, dekho kitna engagement aa raha hai. Yeah. Damn easy to do. It's sad that it's being done on our money though. That's it for Real Review. Please subscribe, like, do the thing, share, buy me a coffee, link below, all the things. Thanks for watching.